Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start at the console, turn on your Xbox and sign into the exact profile that needs changing. Once signed in, press the Xbox button on your controller. This opens the guide instantly. From the guide, move right to Profile and System, then select Settings. You're doing this because privacy links to the account, so make sure it's the active profile. Otherwise, you'll edit the wrong account. Once you see Settings, you're ready to move to Account Privacy Controls. Keep the controller in hand. You're now inside Settings. Select Account and then choose Privacy and Online Safety. Once there, pick Xbox Privacy or View Details and Customize. This is the only way to access per feature options. You'll see categories like Communication and Multiplayer, Profile and Presence, and Content Restrictions. Tap each to reveal choices. Make changes for who can communicate with you, who can see your presence, and multiplayer permissions. As you toggle options, think about balance between privacy and social play. When done, confirm each category, so finish by confirming changes inside each privacy category, then back out to home. Once done, sign out and sign in again to make sure the new settings take effect immediately. If you can't change an option, it's often because a family organizer set restrictions. Contact them to adjust family settings. If settings still don't update, restart the Xbox console. This clears cached data and forces a refresh. If problems persist, check your profile status and internet connection before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.